Welcome guys, James Skyville here, and I'm here today on the test room that it opened today with the new update. I'm going to show you guys the new magical fishing that the kingsisle have introduced to Spiral. Okay, as soon as you log in, the first thing that I notice is that I get 7 more energy from my base energy, so that's new. Okay, that could be good, yeah. I used to have 93 and I have 100. And also get this message right here, so we're going to open it.
Hey, young wizard, I can't wait to tell you about my favorite pastime, fishing. Come find me by the water in the commons.
Okay, let's go find this dude. Let's see where it is. Oh, he's right here. Okay. Ooh.
Hello, wizard. I'm Lucky Hookline, famous fisher and Pisces collector. You might have heard about the 60-inch whopper I caught.
Nope. Never heard of it.
No? Oh, well, let me tell you. Fishing is a terrific hobby, and you won't find a more relaxing pastime.
If you like, I can teach you how to cast for fish magically, of course, and you can catch your own whoppers.
First off, you gotta be in an area of the spiral populated with fish. You know you are when the fishing icon appears.
Okay.
Clicking the fishing icon button displays your fishing spells. Fishing is a magical activity in the spiral, you know.
Your fishing spells consist of fish catching spells and fishing utility spells,
Click on a fish catching spell to cast a magical lure. You want it to land in front of the fish so they notice it. Now, if you don't like where your lure lands, click the cancel spell button to quickly recast the spell. When the magical lure flashes, that means the fish has noticed it and is coming closer to take a nibble.
Yeah, yours coming.
As nibbled, the lure will rise and fall a bit. The trick is to wait until the lure completely sinks below the water. Then you reel them in. Hit the space bar to quickly snag the fish. Timing, and so are your spells. Every fish has a magical school type, and fish are more attracted to lures from their same school. When you use your lure correctly, your magic will snare the fish and float it back to you. You'll see the name and size of every fish you catch. Small fries are the tiniest ones, while whoppers are the biggest. The fish are stored in your fish basket. The angler's tome has a record of all the fish you ever caught. Click on it to open it. The angler's tome will tell you how many of each fish you caught, along with the smallest and largest sizes. Another important tip to know is that every fish you come across responds only to your presence. No, so don't worry about the competition, or that other wizards will scare away the fish. You're the only one that can do that. Now that I've explained the basics of our magical fishing, let me give you the lesser...
Go to the water behind old Zeke over there and use the lesser frost lure to catch a frost decoy and an ice cuda.
Okay, let's do that. There's a lot of people here. Right here. Ooh. Seems nice. Ice. Okay, so we wait here until it goes in the water. Oh, here's the fish. Here's another one. Okay. How much energy does it take? Feels good, no one can get in my way. I think this fish will fall for it. This one's coming right away. Oh. Okay. This one. I failed. Yep. Oh god, I need to get better at this. 3 energy. Okay, let's try until we catch one. I think if you try to catch it where they are, it's easier and faster. And I didn't see the fire thing, the yellow lure, so that's why. Come on, fish. closer to it. Okay, it's taking way longer than expected. Let's try again. Let me change realms. There's not too many people. Just hope this one has. Okay, that one's better. Here, you. I wish you could like move the thing so it would be easier. There, perfect. Come on. Someone's like really frustrated. It'll take time. Oh, got it. Okay, again, please. I think I got it, right? What? No. Yeah, I'm gonna try one more time. Nope. Right here. I'm failing so bad. Come on. I don't get it. You're supposed to pull it off when? It's gonna take forever. Ooh, in front of him. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. I don't get this. It's so hard. Okay, one more time. I wish you could see like the fishing pool. What's the problem? That would be pretty sweet if you can see like the actual fishing pool in the water from their hands. Like the only thing I say is the girl moving her hands. Come on now. Ooh. I think he doesn't want me anymore since I lost him once. Oh, there's a purple thing. Someone's getting lucky. Okay. You. Oh, he got one. There. I'm sure we'll get better at this. Come on. Okay. Oh! Oh my god. Let's try one. What am I missing? I don't get it. Okay, I want to try one more time. If it doesn't work, okay, let me. They say they have like this one. I'm gonna try this one. Major lock elixir. Okay. Okay. We're all going. There's a firewood. It looks the same to me. Oh, that one's go. How are they doing that? That's the question. Let me try to change realms again. Come on. I want at least one fish. There's none here. What? I wonder if you try the spawn. Oh, there's one here. There, perfect. Let me try again. I think I have an idea of what I'm supposed to do. Don't go. Yeah, got one. Fish. Find whatever mountain fish are hiding through the spiral. Okay. 19 what? Oh, I guess it's a weight. Okay. Let's turn this in. 900 XP. Wow. Okay. Oh, another one? Oh. I guess we didn't. I guess we catch a different one. Ice kitten. Got it. She got it. Okay, let's find the fish. There's no one here. No, let me try the pond at the comments. Oh, there are many here. Okay, let's try you. Okay. Nah. Nope, got away. It's supposed to relax you, but I'm really frustrated right now. Okay, now it's easy. Ew. Come on. Okay. That was... Your friends are ignoring you. Look for them in the warm sunlight patches of water in the comments. Okay. Oh, a lot of XP. Okay, let's try to catch the ice cube guy. I wonder if they're only spawn right there on the lake. That could be very bad because I'm ignoring that. Okay. Sure, not you. What? You're supposed to put what after the orbs go in the water. Okay. Oh, got one. Oh, I got it. Known for the icy surf frosty manner, there actually got function in the Nicholas water of the spirits. Okay, let's turn this quest in and finish. What level am I? Oh, level 22 already.
Yeah, look at the sizes of the frost decoy and the ice scooter you caught.
As you may have noticed, fishing costs energy. Never fear, but we need to get on to your next fishing lesson. So here, have this energy elixir so we can get started.
Oh. Okay. I thought it was over.
Are you ready for your next fishing lesson now? Well, sounds like someone's hooked on fishing. Let's get started. You're a bright kid, so I'm sure you noticed that the lesser frost lure I gave you is an ice school spell. And you probably also noticed that the frost decoy and the ice cuda are both ice school fish. Ice fish like ice lures, you can catch non-ice fish with your lesser ice lure, but I have lures for each school I can sell you. They're not required. Catch one owl-eyed pike, a cuttlefish, a catfish, a great jellyfish, a fish sandwich, a crab. Because I'm nice, I'm not going to tell you to catch 7 fish and just wish you luck. I'm gonna give you luck.
Oh. I already have one, so okay. Apparently you get one fishing lure elixir within the quest, that's good. But I guess I'm gonna finish this video here because it's taking longer than expected. I hope you guys enjoy that. This will be out like in 3 weeks, 2 weeks out in the live game, so get ready for it. If you wanna get if you wanna try it out, just get on the realm. It's for members, and if you have bought crowns in the last 6 weeks, I'm guessing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.